Afternoon, everybody. Well, I'm down the river again. First fish. Oh, need to get my tripod. 5 pound carp. River carp. Not bad. Not bad. Right, I'm getting back. Let's see if we can get a release catch for me. Using bread, on the old bread. Always on the bread, which is a good thing. But yeah, that's what I'm fishing. Right here. What's out? It's been Rodney took me fucking rod in. But yeah. Lovely jubbly. One to me. Right, let's do a release. You got my net then? There she goes. And off she goes. Into the...
Here, ducky, ducky, come have some bread. The fish all laughed and swam away instead. My fat fisherman made caught 3. Well, I hooked my trousers and a dead old tree. Now the ducks all know me as the bread buffet king, quacking at my pockets every time I sing. I gave up fishing, pride completely dead. So here, ducky, duck.
Go. Right, just come down with a bit of move swims. Come down with a bit of float. Nice fish. That. There we go. Right. Oh, there she goes. There she goes, and away. Guys, little cruising. Look at that. That line down his side. Oh. There she is. Oh. There we go. And away she goes. Ta-ta.
Thank you for watching The Fat Fisherman. Don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, and of course share. Now fish off.